You know how there are those places you walk past every single day and you just don't even see them anymore? But what if one of those places, one of those doors, held the key to changing, well, everything? Today, we're going to explore how one simple, unexpected choice can totally reshape our reality. So, our story kicks off on a totally ordinary street. And on that street, there's a building that's pretty much become invisible because it's always been there. It's just part of the scenery, a place people see but don't really notice. And this is Leo. For him, that library isn't just invisible. Oh no, he's made a conscious choice to ignore it. He's already decided what it's all about without ever stepping inside. It's a classic case of judging a book by its cover, literally. So let's get inside Leo's head for a second. How does he see this library? Well, for him, it's just four things: old, faded, forgotten, and boring. And this isn't just his opinion, right? It's like he's built a mental wall around the place. And then, out of nowhere, something changes. The sky just opens up. This isn't just a bit of rain, it's a catalyst. It's something from the outside that completely messes up his routine and forces him to change direction. And right in that moment of chaos, an opportunity just appears. The very place he always ignored is suddenly the best possible shelter. And the most important part? The doors open. It's this quiet little invitation. But he stops. He hesitates. And this is it, isn't it? This is that critical moment we all face, that choice between the comfort of what we think we know and the scary, uncertain unknown. I mean, think about it. What would you do? Step inside or just wait out the storm? He goes in, and boom, in an instant, his whole world shifts. The loud, messy sound of the storm just fades away, replaced by this incredible calm. The cold and the wet are gone, and now it's all warmth and soft light. He literally stepped into a different reality. So now he's not just standing there, he's actually doing something. He grabs a book off the shelf, totally at random, nothing special. But this is the moment his old ideas are really put to the test by actual experience. And what happens next is amazing. He gets completely lost. The world outside, the rain, the very reason he came inside, it all just disappears. He isn't just in a library anymore, he's inside a story. That's the real power of discovery, right? It doesn't just distract you, it completely transports you somewhere else. And then the librarian drops this little piece of wisdom that just ties it all together. Every book is a door. You just have to open it. Wow, it suddenly clicks. The door to the library was just the first one. This place is packed with thousands of other doors, and every single one leads somewhere new. So let's step back for a second and define what this open door thing really is. It's not just about a literal door, of course. It's any unexpected chance that pops up in your life. And here's the kicker. If you're brave enough to take it, it has the power to totally change how you see everything. And here it is, the transformation, clear as day. Remember those words Leo used before? Old, that's now alive. Faded is now welcoming. The place he thought was forgotten is actually full of stories. And what he wrote off as boring, turns out it was an invitation all along. The building didn't change at all. His perception did. So what Leo went through is kind of like a roadmap for change, isn't it? It all starts with our initial perception. Then a catalyst comes along and shakes things up. We face that moment of hesitation to go or not to go. Stepping through leads to discovery, and that discovery sparks a total transformation, completely rewriting our original story. That's the journey. And that's the real takeaway here. Big life changes don't always have to be, these huge, dramatic events. Sometimes the most powerful shifts in our lives start with the smallest, quietest choices, like finally trying the door you've walked past 1,000 times before. So that leaves a question for all of us, right? What's the library in your life? What opportunity or place or maybe even person have you already put in a box labeled boring or not for me? Seriously, take a look around. What open door have you been walking right past?